Stable dual-axis welding starts with the posture window, robot standpoint, fixture rigidity, and safe rotation radius. Two rotary axes improve reach, but they also create cable, clamp, torch, and guarding interference risks. In the footage, the positioner rotates the workpiece so the robot can keep a more stable torch posture. EVST checks payload margin, overturning radius, fixture datum, torch angle, cable routing, and interlocks together. A common mistake is validating one smooth rotation while ignoring reclamping, restart, and blocked access. A stable cell links positioner motion, robot path, welding parameters, fixture repeatability, and safety logic. This fits multi-side welds, box frames, brackets, tanks, and medium or large structural components. EVST can configure the positioner, robot, fixture, welding package, and acceptance checks around seam distribution.